Want to sign into Befunky with your Facebook account? Let's go. First, launch the Befunky app or visit the website. On the login screen, tap or click the Facebook icon. Your browser will redirect you to Facebook's login page. If you are already signed into Facebook on your device, you might just need to confirm your account. Tap Continue to grant Befunky permissions to access your basic profile information. After a few seconds, you will be redirected back to Befunky. Now logged in and ready to edit. This method is quick and you won't have to remember another password. Just make sure your Facebook is secure. If the login fails, check that pop-ups are not being blocked or that your Facebook session has not expired. Did the Facebook login work smoothly for you? If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.